Abdulrazak Hassan reports.
A non-governmental organization, When It Needs Foundation, is organizing a medical outreach to treat at least 2,000 infants and children and donate free medical items to support the vulnerable Nigerians in the Federal Capital Territory. This initiative is a crucial step toward addressing the healthcare needs of vulnerable Nigerians and elevating their plight by providing food items and other basic amenities.
Coming up will address the issues of infants from 0 to 12 years old. We are not going to neglect their mothers as well. I mean, there is no way a mother can bring an infant that is sick and she's also sick and will not take care of her. So I want you all to understand that this mission also will extend to the parents as well, and to any child that comes to that venue that day, whether that child is 5 years old, 12 years old, 18 years old, 20 years old, with any kind of medical issue, or that is hungry, that will leave that place unhappy.
A medical practitioner highlights the urgent need for healthcare attention to members of the community, noting that the foundation will provide malaria drugs and other food items to attendees, including mothers and others facing medical challenges.
Our mother has chosen to carry out a medical outreach, which is going to cut across, starting from infants to 12 years of age, and is going to curtail a variety of medications as well as other materials. And this just buttresses the fact that our mother has always shown that she pays attention to the unmet needs in our society and in our community.
Traditional rulers at the event praised the foundation's effort and encouraged other Nigerians to support the similar initiative to combat the prevalent diseases.
All of us here are going home, just like my brother said, outside here with a new game-changing formula, game-changing mind, to love your neighbor as you love yourself, and appreciate the good things that she's doing. Now she's in mourning. From the Royal Father's speech, she's been doing charity work. She's a compulsive philanthropist. She's been giving, and she'll continue to give. Even in time of her need, somebody said it here, she still remember not to put the diamonds or the jewelries or whatever, she still want to put it out there. So this is a remarkable something, and she needs to be encouraged by the whole nation of Africa.
The foundation pledges to bring crucial medical care services directly to those in need, ensuring that even the most underserved members have access to quality healthcare services.